In this video, I will reveal the secret 3-point checklist that top sourcing managers use to consistently find low cost, high reliability forging suppliers, and how you can use it too starting from today. Without a system, you are gambling with millions and risking massive delays or quality disasters. As a forged component supplier working with global OEMs and tier 1 companies, I have seen how the right checks and right partners can save millions and eliminate headaches. This is not just theory, it is based on real world success stories. If you follow these 3 checks, you drastically lower your risk and cost. Point number 1, financial stability check. Financial instability is the hidden risk that most audits and sourcing visits never catch. Yet, it is the number 1 reason suppliers suddenly fail to deliver when you need them the most. Forging suppliers need steady cash flow to maintain and upgrade heavy forging equipments like the hammers, presses, induction heaters, furnaces. Hire and retain skilled labor like forgers, machinists, quality engineers. Invest in quality systems and certifications like ISO, IATF, PED, etc. Handle raw material price fluctuations for steels and alloys without cutting corners. If a supplier is cash strapped, they will delay deliveries, sacrifice on raw material quality, fire skilled workers, outsource work secretly to low tier vendors. If they are financially unstable, your low price today could become your biggest crisis tomorrow. How to actually check financial stability? A. Request financial references. Ask for 2 or 3 customer references, current or past. See if the existing customers mention sudden delivery delays or cost escalation after projects start. B. Check credit reports or credit ratings. Some countries offer official credit reports for registered companies. In India, you can check it on an MCA website. And for example, Dun & Bradstreet ratings, Experian business reports. C. Ask them for a banker's certificate. Some serious buyers ask for a confidential banker's certificate, verifying that the supplier is in good standing without disclosing exact finances. Ask specific financial health questions. For example, you can ask them, how do you manage price fluctuations for steels and alloys? What percentage of processes are outsourced to manage cash flow? This will give you an insight. How have you invested in your facilities over the past 3 years? Now, point number 2, production process audit. Supplier might promise world-class quality, but unless you deeply understand their actual production processes, you are taking that promise on blind faith. Forged parts are highly sensitive to material selection, heating temperatures, press forces, die quality, machining precision. Tiny mistake or shortcuts in any stage can lead to microscopic cracks, dimensional inaccuracies, structural weaknesses, which sourcing managers often find out after a major shipment failure. Forging is not just shaping metal, it's crafting reliability into every part. You must know how your parts are truly made. Now, the question is how to actually audit the production process. You can check key equipment capabilities. What is the capacity of their forging presses? That is the tonnage or force. What types of heating methods are they using? Whether it is an induction billet heater versus open flame. Do they have in-house machining facility or is it a subcontractor? Are critical operations like forging, heat treatment, machining are controlled internally? If they outsource important steps, you lose quality control visibility. Inspect process flow and consistency. Ask to see a complete production flow chart from raw material to finished parts. Check for handoff gaps, places where parts move from between department or third parties. Look for bottlenecks or signs of overloaded production lines. A good forging supplier has consistent flow documented in process quality checks. Minimal unnecessary part movement. Ask for process control measures. Real professional sourcing managers ask, how often do you calibrate your forging presses? What real-time monitoring do you have for temperature, pressure, and machining tolerances? How do you handle non-conformities during forging? Don't just listen. Ask them to show records or live screens of production monitoring. Now the point number 3, quality control proof. Quality promises are cheap, but in forging, quality failures are expensive. If you don't verify a supplier's real quality control system upfront, you risk gambling with your reputation and bottom line. Forging components must meet exact material, dimensional, and mechanical specifications. Even small lapses in heat treatment, machining tolerances, surface inspection can lead to catastrophic failures in critical applications like automotive, aerospace, and energy sectors. When a forged part fails, you don't just lose parts, you lose trust, your customers, and sometimes millions. How to actually verify real control? Ask for real historical quality data. Request actual production defect rates (ppm), that is parts per million defects, for the past 12 months. Ask for a breakdown: forging defect versus machining defects versus surface finishing issues. Numbers don't lie. A supplier with under 500 ppm across forged products is serious about quality. Anything over 1000 ppm should trigger a deeper conversation. Demand proof of corrective actions. Good suppliers don't just fix mistakes, they prevent them. Ask, can you show 2 or 3 CAPA, that is corrective and preventive action, reports from the past year? How did you handle a major quality issue recently? A great supplier will proudly show you how they learned from mistakes, not just hide them. Inspect the incoming, in-process, and final inspection systems. Checklist for them. Are real raw materials inspected before forging? Are forged blanks checked before machining? Is there real-time inspection during critical machining stages? Is there a final surface and dimensional inspection before shipment? If they only show you the final inspection process, be cautious. Real quality is built in at every stage of the process, not inspected at the end. Ask for third-party inspection results. It is optional but very powerful. Smart sourcing managers request past third-party audit reports like ISO, IATF, third-party metallurgical test certificates for grain flow, microstructure. If they resist sharing any, it's a warning sign for you. When you are auditing a forging supplier, don't just tour the facility. Dissect the process. Ask, where could quality escape? Where are the risks hidden? The answers you find or you do not find will tell you everything about future reliability. One buyer I worked with skipped a quality deep dive because the supplier was well known. First shipment, 4% defect rate. That turned out that the supplier had recently shifted production to a new facility but kept marketing materials from the old one. The sourcing team spent 6 months cleaning up the mess. Always trust quality data, not quality promises. Ask for hard numbers, real records, and visible processes. If a supplier hesitates or blames confidentially too quickly, walk away. Your company deserves better. And if you have ever had a sourcing disaster, share your story in the comment. Let's help each other build stronger global supply chain. See you in my next video.